sizzling apple pie with ice cream and whiskey sauce. For the whiskey sauce, I'm going to start with a half a cup of butter, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of heavy cream, and I like Maker's Mark here for my bourbon. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and let it simmer slightly. Once it gets to a boil, I'm going to turn off the heat, cover, and set aside. For my pie, I'm going to use 3 pounds of peeled, cored, and chopped apples, zest of a lemon and juice, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. I want to mix this up, add it to my apples, and toss thoroughly. I'm going to use a roll-up pie shell. This pie shell may be a little bit small for this pie plate, but everything will turn out fine. I'm going to add my apples, pile them high, and I'm going to add my top pie shell. I'm going to crimp to the bottom shell the best I can and tuck in. I'm going to take a knife and give me some air vents on top and cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes with the foil, remove the foil, 30 minutes without. To my hot skillet, I've added a slice of pie, a scoop of ice cream, and of course this beautiful whiskey sauce. Good stuff.